He should have the courage to come to court. Judge tells Julian Assange he will still be arrested if he leaves Ecuadorian embassy as she refuses to withdraw warrant for his detention. WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange lost his case to have arrest warrant dismissed. The warrant was issued in 2012 after charges of rape against him in Sweden. Assange remains in Ecuador's London embassy, where he has been since 2012. A lawyer for Assange cited UN report that claimed warrant should be dismissed. WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange has lost his latest court bid to have his UK arrest warrant dismissed after a judge said he should have the courage to face the charges against him in court. The 46-year-old whistleblower has spent that last 5 years holed up inside Ecuador's London embassy. He had skipped bail in 2012 to claim political asylum in the embassy to avoid extradition to Sweden over allegations of rape and sexual assault against him by 2 women. Assange denies the charges. Lawyers for Assange had claimed it was no longer in the public interest to arrest him after the charges against the Australian national were dropped in Sweden. However, Assange still faces arrest if he leaves the London embassy for breaching his bail condition in the UK. Lawyers for the WikiLeaks founder had asked for the warrant to be withdrawn as Sweden no longer wants to extradite him. Yet Judge Emma Arbuthnot told Westminster Magistrates Court she was not persuaded by his lawyers' arguments and said she found that arrest is a proportionate response to Assange's actions. She said, "I find arrest is a proportionate response even though Mr. Assange has restricted his own freedom for a number of years. Defendants on bail up and down the country, and requested persons facing extradition, come to court to face the consequences of their own choices. He should have the courage to do the same. It is certainly not against the public interest to proceed." Judge Arbuthnot said, "The impression I have, and this may well be dispelled if and when Mr. Assange finally appears in court, is that he is a man who wants to impose his terms on the course of justice, whether the course of justice is in this jurisdiction or in Sweden. He appears to consider himself above the normal rules of law and wants justice only if it goes in his favor. Bullshit, just let him off, you cunt. If you love your news from one sexy ass robot, then like and sub, then hit up my big fat bell.